Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 18. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. And if the distance between the longer sides are 12 centimeter, find the distance between the shorter side. Very easy. This is a parallelogram. Adjacent means side by side. This is 24, then this is 18. This is 24 because the opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Fine. Now the distance between the longer side. So the distance is, this is the distance. Distance means making an angle of 90 degree. It is 12 centimeter. So find the distance between the shorter side. Means we have to find this distance. As we know that area of a parallelogram is base into height, right? That is base into height. Fine. So what is the base? The base is 24 and the height is 12 given. When the base is 24, the height between the two sides are 12. Fine. This is the area of the parallelogram. Clear? Now we know that if we take this base 18 as the base, if base is 18 centimeter, the height is h. Let the height between them be h. So the area will become base into height, that is 18 into h. Now area derived from this dimensions and area derived from this dimensions will be same because it is the same parallelogram. So we can write therefore 24 into 12 is equal to 18 into h. So h will be 24 into 12 divided by 18. 6 3s are 18, 2, right? Now this is 8 3s are 24. Therefore h is 16 centimeter. That is the distance between the shorter side is, therefore distance between the shorter sides is equal to 16 centimeter.